I'm going to tell few words about portal vein system. It is the major vein which collects blood from abdominal part of gut, intestines, gallbladder, pancreas, and spleen. இது எல்லாத்துலேருந்தும் it drains into the liver.
தமிழ்ல கம்ஃபர்டபுளா இருந்தா தமிழ்லே சொல்லணும் ப்ராப்ளம்.
Yes sir, yes sir. It supplies about 70 to 75% of blood to the liver, and remaining 25 to 30% is by hepatic artery. Formation of portal vein. It is formed at the back of neck of pancreas. Inferior mesenteric vein joins in the splenic vein, and splenic vein and superior mesenteric vein joins at the back of neck of pancreas to form to portal vein. It will be at the level of L2 vertebra. Termination, it ends into right and left branch. The flow in the portal vein will be a streamlined flow. Thus, splenic vein and the inferior mesenteric vein blood will be draining into left lobe of liver, and superior mesenteric vein or blood will be draining into right lobe of liver. Which we can course of the portal vein we can divide into two branches: infraduodenal, retroduodenal, and supraduodenal part. Infraduodenal anterior relation will be of pancreas, and posterior relation will be IVC. In retroduodenal part, anterior relation will be duodenum, and posterior relation will be IVC. And supraduodenal part la anterior relation will be hepatic artery and bile duct. Posterior relation will be epiploic foramen, அதுக்கு பின்னாடி IVC இருக்கும். Branches and tributaries of portal vein வந்து first inferior mesenteric vein drains into splenic vein, and இங்க வந்து superior mesenteric vein both joins to form portal vein, and they both divided into right and left branches. In between இது வந்து main trunk வந்து receives superior pancreaticoduodenal vein. அப்புறம் வந்து it also receives tributaries of left and right gastric vein. Right branch of portal vein receives branch from cystic vein, which is from gallbladder. This left branch of portal vein receives branches from paraumbilical veins. Then let's see about portosystemic shunt. In few areas, portal system and the systemic system will have anastomosis. Portal vein branches and systemic veins like SVC and IVC. At the time of portal hypertension, when pressure more than 40 mm of Hg, the shunt will be opening. It is a protective reflex. To reduce the pressure of portal vein. There are about 7 areas where portosystemic shunts are there. First is esophagus. Second one, the lower end of rectum. Third, at umbilicus. Fourth, posterior abdominal wall. Fifth one, the bare area of liver. Sixth one, the falciparum ligament. Seventh one, the ligamentum venosum. அதுல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 3 are of clinical importance. இதுல at the lower end of esophagus, left gastric vein ஓட portal இதுவும் hemiazygos சோட systemic vein. They both form portosystemic anastomosis. And the pulmonary portal hypertension அப்ப these opens to form esophageal varices. அப்புறம் செகண்ட் வந்து at the rectum வந்து anastomosis between superior rectal vein, branch of inferior mesenteric vein, அது plus middle and inferior rectal vein. இது வந்து ஐவிசியோட பிரான்ச். இது ஓபன் ஆகுறப்ப ப்ரொடியூசஸ் ஹெமராய்ட்ஸ். So portal hypertension can also produces hematochezia or lower GI bleed. Third வந்து umbilicusல para umbilical vein, from portal system, அது plus அந்த epigastric veins in systemic system. இது ஓபன் ஆகுறப்ப it produces caput medusae appearance. Liver cirrhosis patientல around the umbilicus ஒரு the vein will be getting enlarged to form a caput medusae appearance. Thank you, I hope.